The Indian Air Force's new C-130J aircraft has crashed near Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh after taking off from Agra. All 5 Air Force personnel on board were killed. The military transport plane, India's biggest, is also known as Super Hercules. It crashed 72 km or 115 miles west of Gwalior. The plane was on a routine flying training mission, said an Air Force spokesperson to news agency Press Trust of India. India had recently inducted 6 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft, which were bought from the U.S. at the cost of around Rs. 6,000 crore $1.1 billion 4 years ago. In August last year, in a strong message to China, the Indian Air Force today landed its C-130J Super Hercules transport plane at the world's highest airstrip Deulat Begoldi DBO in Ladakh near the line of actual control, the scene of a standoff with Chinese troops in April 2013. The landing signals that the armed forces can use the heavy-lift aircraft to deliver troops, supplies, and equipment to the border with China.